Hi guys, welcome to another vlog, and it's our final leg back to Istanbul. It's gonna be a long one, 800 kilometers, around 10 hours. We have a stop in the middle to check out a place, and probably 2-3 more stops for the lunch and few washroom breaks. And then we are prepping the car right now, and I got a wet wipe because I need to clean the windshield right now because it's a big mess, and you can see the cars. We need a deep wash for that, and it's going to be a long day. I don't know how much I'll be able to shoot today, but probably this will be a shorter vlog than any other vlog. So yeah, enjoy the vlog. I'll see you in the next update. You can see the amount of bugs. It needs a clean, very deep wash. The windshield is clean though, so that's good. And for this car, the one I'll be driving, is the same thing with the bonnet, but the windshield is a mess right now, so I need to clean it before we start. So yeah, we are just packing it and putting the bags in. One of the person didn't wake up yet, so they'll be coming late, like 1 hour later. We all are set to go, so we'll be leaving right now. Yeah, we'll catch them up on the brakes. Yeah, for now, I'll just use this wet wipe to get the glass cleaned, and we'll start from here. At least a little bit cleaner than before. Windshield is much cleaner than before, but it still has so many patches of blood and the insect stains. So we need a deep wash for this. And this is our Airbnb, by the way. This whole thing. I mean, that whole floor is our Airbnb. It's got 3 rooms. I think I'll just show you around the Airbnb today. This is the Airbnb. Once we go in, we got a powder room. Then we got 3-bedroom. These two just woke up. This is a hall with a huge balcony. This is a dedicated kitchen with all the utensils possible. Cupboards, fridge, oven. And this is a proper big washroom. The whole thing with a shower, washroom and sink. And this was our bedroom. Me and Mr. Wesley were staying here. Beautiful little room with a very nice view. I mean, not too good. That's our car. Not that. I wish it was that, but it is this. So that's the view from the room. And that's the other room, the third one. It also has a similar queen size bed with a view, cupboards, 2 tables and proper room. Yeah, that's Airbnb. They provided us with there's one balcony and that's the other balcony, so we have car 2. And they're just packing up the car which is leaving behind. That guy is going back to sleep, as you can see, so they will be late. Wasim, Zoeb, Adnan, all of them were staying here. So that's the room. That's the Airbnb in Antalya. Not bad at all. But we made it a mess. So yeah, let's go. Let the trip start. So let's begin. This car is a proper mess. Let's go. Today it's a long stretch. It's like 800 kilometers. Everyone is here. 4 of us. Let's go.
Cut.
Pull me
some snacks and just leaving. We have enough petrol, so we're not even stopping for the fuel. Let's hit the road and catch you guys while we stop for lunch.
I'm going to use this in my blog.
तो मैं कंफ्यूज हो जाता हूँ कि ये बंदा सच में
ना उधर भाई वो बेचने जो ऑर्डर ना व्हाट्सएप पे पूरे पूरे कैटलॉग बनाए हुए इसी को तुम ऑर्डर कर दो
Guys, we found McDonald's. It's time to
And it's the most McDonald's that you can find. Yellow, red. And it looks very cliche.
Where's the entrance?
Should be here. With a big ass Radaro.
So we had lunch at McDonald's, and we are back on the road. Now Mr. is behind the wheel. So we have, I think, we are actually have a stop in between, which is a tomb. So we'll have a look at it for like 10-15 minutes, then move. Then we'll be on the way to Istanbul, which should be around like 400 to 300 to 400 kilometers. Actually 370, I just saw the board. It just came out. 370 kilometers, so probably about 7 to 8 will be in Istanbul. Then I have no idea what's the plan. So these guys are way behind us, the second car. I think around 200 kilometers behind. So they'll take some time. Till then, we are on the road. We are going. I think we'll be reaching the tomb in like 1 hour, max 1.5 hour. So I'll show you around the city as well. Yep. Nothing much, just a boring drive on the highway. I mean, the views are great, but we got used to it in these 10 days. So yeah.
We are heading to Ertugrul Ghazi's tomb in this secluded town. It's a very really nice ghat road, and yeah, this guy's really slow. But look at the view. The view is definitely beautiful. I love the twists and turns. You don't really have to brake this much, but since this guy is doing it, yeah. So I'll probably catch you guys in the location, at the location itself. So yeah, see you guys there.
So we just arrived at this tomb. These are the guards. So we are done at the tomb, and we caught up with the other guys caught up with us. We chilled for a bit. They had their lunch. It's actually 5:49, but still they have had lunch now. And they went inside the tomb and we began our journey. As we were like 1 hour earlier than them, so we checked everything. We took a tour of everything. So yeah. We started back to Istanbul. They'll be on road in few minutes as well. So they'll be catching up pretty soon. But right now we are going through back roads, so I'll just show you some shots. Check it out. the 10 kilometers. We thought to take the back roads, but we are going off to the. We are on the back road, but we are connecting to the highway, back on to the highway, so we don't get lost. Because the other car also is behind, like way behind. So we just want to be safe. We just want going back to the highway. Now we have to go back a few kilometers back and connect to highway. This is a small town
यहाँ से
in
किधर?
between.
सीधे.
Straight. Whoa. A beautiful view is coming up. Let me show you guys. It's a beautiful little town through which we get insane views. If you can see the view.
रेलवे ट्रैक दिखा पहले
किधर?
राइट पहला रेलवे ट्रैक बहुत देर से चल रहा है
Oh, there's a.
पैदल जो मसला देखो यार मैं थोड़ा सा इतनी जनता फैन हो गया अब्दुल गाजी की
Check out the view, guys.
हाँ हमको हो गया एक
The
हफ्ता
back roads are amazing, but to be safe, we are going back.
अभी इस्तांबुल जा रहे हैं फिर
straight
इस्तांबुल से
left.
निकलेंगे वापस
Straight left.
हाँ, आज ही शाम मतलब कल शाम में निकलेंगे
Watch out, police.
Yeah.
जी जी
So
जी।
this is the highway, guys. We are connecting back to.
और
highway.
अपने का किसके साथ
There we go. We are back onto the highway. Actually,
Hey, Bilal,
we weren't
Bilal ke
that far. We are just over that side, a few blocks away. Now we are back on the highway.
वालेकुम सलाम दोस्त है मेरा हाँ हम लोग का एग्जाम है क्या क्या
Yes, you can see the board.
नहीं
Istanbul
by road
straight.
फ्लाइट से आए थे यहाँ पे गाड़ी कर ली
Istanbul. So we took a break at the petrol pump for a driver change. And
refuel.
Now and refuel main thing is
Refuel.
because we
Refuel.
refuel of both the car and the person. People. And now we are heading to Istanbul, which is like 120, 30-ish.
156.
156 kilometers. We'll be there in no time. But the thing is, the traffic is too much in Istanbul.
The night traffic is bad.
And it's night time, so it's going to be a bit of a task. And we booked a different accommodation right now, so we have to search for that. Yeah, it will be pretty late by the time we reach.
ETA is 10.
10.
Yeah.
So that's it. I'm behind the wheel for the next few minutes till December.
2 hours.
Was nice. And pretty much there's nothing to show you right now from this point because it's only city like full on traffic. So yeah, I'll catch you up if we find something else. Probably we'll be going out for dinner. I'll shoot that, the new place around. We'll explore if we can. I'm actually not tired at all, so probably we'll go out.
I've been trying to find a reason. But that is so they said, and I don't know, but I promise.
We'll get a view now.
We are going up by the way.
Yeah, that's fine.
That is insane.
Fresh money, fresh
are in Istanbul, guys. We just parked up. We just reached. So the thing is, we cancelled our Airbnb as it was so shady in the shady area. So we are figuring out what to do. We haven't paid them yet, so we were like, we just go find any other thing because it was way too shady. So we just parked by the road and figuring out. My friend is figuring out where can we stay tonight because it's already 10:30 right now, and we all are scattered right now. So we need to figure out what to do next. I'll just update you once we figure out something. So we finally found an Airbnb. It's actually 120, and we just found parking as well. Yeah, it's a paid parking, literally in the middle of Taksim Square. Our Airbnb right now is in the top, like 200 meters away from the parking. So that's a good safe parking. So we just bought it out down here, like costing us £16 for 24 hours for 2 cars. So not a bad deal. I mean, there's no other option. We barely found a place to stay, so anything works right now. And we haven't had food. So we haven't had food yet. It's been almost like 12 hours, more than 12 hours since we had food, and we have been driving for 10 hours. No, actually 11 hours. Actually 12 hours. We have been driving for 12 hours. It has been a long stretch. Now finally it's 1 o'clock and we have to wake up early as well to go. We have a flight today. So there's a lot of stuff going on right now. So I don't know how will we survive today. We still have to go out, eat. Hopefully any good place is open right now. The other places are open. Let's see. We are living right now in Taksim Square, literally in the middle. So that's a good spot to get the restaurants. Let's go check it out.